What if you could journey back in time, not just decades or centuries, but billions of years to the early universe? Now, keep watching, because the researchers at Chalmers University of Technology are making this seemingly impossible journey a reality. And we're going to delve into their groundbreaking work. This team of intrepid researchers is using advanced telescopes to peer into the distant past of our universe. They're observing light from various molecules in two early universe galaxies. This isn't a simple matter of stargazing. Each molecule emits light at a specific frequency, creating a unique spectral signature. By observing these signatures, the scientists can identify the presence of different molecules and gain incredible insights into the conditions and interactions within these ancient galaxies. What have they found, you ask? Well, their observations have led to the discovery of 13 different molecules. Some of these molecules had never been seen before in such distant galaxies. Think about that for a moment. These researchers are not only looking billions of years into the past, they're also discovering new aspects of our universe that we didn't even know existed. Now, let's talk about the sheer distance we're dealing with here. These galaxies are so far away that their light takes almost 13 billion years to reach us. That's right, the light we're seeing from these galaxies started its journey when the universe was still in its infancy. This is the closest we've ever come to literally looking back in time, and the researchers aren't stopping there. They plan to study more galaxies using telescopes in France and Chile. They're on a quest to unlock the secrets of the early universe, and who knows what they'll find next. Imagine the implications of these findings, the secrets they unlock about our universe's past, and the potential they hold for our understanding of the cosmos. This cosmic chemistry is reshaping our perception of the universe. It shows us that the cosmos is not just a collection of stars and galaxies, but a complex, dynamic, and ever-evolving entity. As we reach the end of this enlightening journey, it's worth reflecting on how these discoveries could change our understanding of our place in the cosmos. We're part of this vast, intricate universe, and every new discovery brings us a step closer to understanding our cosmic origins. And now, as promised at the beginning, the most exciting part. The researchers' findings don't just shed light on the early universe, they also hold the key to understanding how galaxies evolve and how stars and planets form. This could fundamentally change our understanding of the universe and our place in it. Now, isn't that worth sticking around for? To continuously be enlightened, like and subscribe.